Now, Kansept EDC, in case you don't know, is a sister brand to Kansept Knives, right? They do everything that's not knife related or EDC tools and items, etc. It looks like we're looking at Karambit looking pry bar here. Let's take a look together. This one's called the Prymate from Kansept EDC, a Sebastian Irwan design, and we have plain titanium here as far as the materials go. So let's break it down a bit here. Rapid fire, we have the Karambit ring in the back. It looks like it comes with its own pocket clip, so I dig that pocket clip situation. Then we have a couple of different hex patterns, right? Like small, medium, large hex pattern, bottle opener right here, and your pry bar in the tip, right? If I'm not missing anything, a little bit of jimping there, right here, and even has some milling lines and a lot of personality really all throughout. Little Kansept logo there. And then there's your Sebastian Irwan design. Kind of has like a little knife looking logo. I've seen plenty of his designs in the past. Kind of good to see that he's kind of giving a whole pry bar here, a little stab. What a pry bar, Karambit pry bar can look like. And guess what? There's a little pokey section right here. If you do it Karambit style, put your index finger in the Karambit ring. A little attitude adjuster right there. I'm not sure if they're going for a glass breaker, but it definitely has a little attitude adjuster, a little peak section right there. But what would I know? This is not a self-defense channel in any way, shape, or form. Definitely got quite a lot of functionality here, to say the least. So the hex wrenches here, in case you want to be specific, this is going to be M4, M8, and M10. I just wanted to make sure I looked that up to be very specific in case you're interested or knowing those details. I just double checked on the website. Obviously, it can work as a pry bar. This could also work as a flathead. And I think they're calling this section right here a nail puller. Right, this is going to be the bottle opener. This section here can be a nail puller. And I was also able to confirm on the website, they're saying this peak right here is for a glass breaking functionality. So if you need to break glass in a pinch, right, that's what that peak right there is going to allow you to do. Or at least that's what they have it labeled as, if you know what I mean. I mean, one thing is for sure, it is really, really lightweight. So if you were, carrying this for everyday carry, the pocket clip is absolutely a game changer, right? You'll be able to clip this either on your pocket itself or, like an EDC little carry pouch or bag or whatever you got going on. And again, it's really not going to weigh you down at all. It's actually very well thought out. Even the ring itself is nice and comfortable. You could be sitting there, just turning this thing like that all day. The child inside of me is coming out. Miguel, you're trying to make a serious YouTube video, right? This is a serious channel. We review EDC gear. Let's go ahead and not get carried away. But that is the Prymate from Kansept EDC. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.